This one simple concept is what separates successful affiliates from non-successful affiliates, and it's called the learn and apply loop, okay? So what you have is you have the word learn up here, and we have the word apply down here. And what happens is new affiliates often will get stuck in the learn phase, okay? They like to watch YouTube videos about it, they buy courses, and they just really love to learn. It makes them feel like they did something productive that day, like they're progressing. But really, they're just stuck in the learn phase. Now, the other side of this is people who get stuck in the apply phase. They don't want to learn, they don't want to watch videos, and they just want to dive right in. And they struggle, and they lose a lot of money, and they get frustrated, and then they quit. But successful affiliates, they get stuck in this phase. They learn some new concepts, some ideas, some strategy on how to make money, and then they immediately go apply it. And then they take what they learned down here, and they go back, and then they learn more, and then they immediately apply it. And then they get stuck in this repeated loop where they're learning and applying constantly, and that's how they succeed.